Good morning. This is Gilbert, Riley's Lawncare.
Today is a first alert weather day. Also tomorrow, there's a threat of severe storms today and tomorrow. I'll focus a lot on today, briefly touch upon tomorrow.
It's 6 a.m. in the morning now, and the weatherman just said that we're expecting some severe thunderstorms in about 3 or 4 hours, and so I'm going to be loading up and starting early this morning. Okay, I just finished this one here. Like I said earlier, I started about 6 o'clock this morning, and it's just right at 8 o'clock now, so I didn't video it, but I'll show you the after, and as you can see, I'm hurrying because the weatherman said we're in real high risk of severe thunderstorms this afternoon, so the grass is really just now beginning to come out. The Bermuda anyway, it's getting hot enough for it to start coming up. Although I'm in a rush today because of the storm warnings for this afternoon, it's still rather early, so I'm going to attempt to video this next one since I didn't get video this first one. I'm going to take a little bit more time, and if I can do a short video of it, I will, and hopefully I can get at least one more done after this one on the way to right now. So it's not too far from the one we just finished. It's just down here on the corner, so we'll get here, and like I say, it's still early, so I feel like I've got time to finish it, and then hopefully one more before uh, the storm hits this afternoon. The skies been cloudy ever since it started, and it don't look any worse right now than it did when I started. But they say that there's an 80% chance of some strong thunderstorms this afternoon. So, okay, here I am at the next property, and I'm going to try to set up a video here real quick. So, just bear with me. Let me grab the camera here real quick and I'll give you a quick shot of what it looks like after it's finished. It looks pretty good, and so I'm going to try to get loaded and get out of here and see if I can make one more before the storm hits. I just finished my last one for the day. I'm going to try to give you a real quick view of the front of the house, and I won't even be going into the backyard. I'm going to try to get loaded up and get home and get the equipment all unloaded and put up before this storm hits. And I think I'm pressing my luck. I'm running out of time, so this will be real quick, and then I'm gone. Well, I got home and got my equipment unloaded and everything put away, and even though it looked like the sun was in and out, then it wasn't, but just minutes, and all of a sudden tornado sirens started going off, and it seemed like everything just broke loose, and next thing I know, I heard something snap in the front, and we looked out, and a limb had fell out of the tree, and the wind was blowing so hard. I looked across the street, my neighbor's front yard was full of limbs, and so I'm going to turn it off right now and see you in the morning. Okay, this is Gilbert, Riley's Lawn Care, and one of my customers called me last night and informed me that there's a tree limb in his yard, and so I'm coming this morning to look and see how much damage was done. So here I'm going to show you what I found. Half of this tree, it just broke right off, split right down the middle. I don't know how I'm going to get that thing. And that's not all. Almost half of another tree. Laying on top of these hardwood there. And there's more limbs there on top of these storage buildings. Well, I don't really know where to start. Once I get them cut out, I don't know how I'm going to even haul them off. So, I guess the only thing to do is just to grab a saw and start sawing and see what happens. This is gonna turn it into a pretty big job.
Every time you two are getting rough, my mind just sounds like trying love off a test. No, 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 no. Just no, 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 no. And every time I see him with you, my heart sounds like Shia LaBeouf too. No, 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 no. No, no. No, 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 no.
Just like a little bit more trimming, having the broken limbs cut down, and now got to figure out how I'm going to haul this off. And then I got to come and clean up the mess. We have to have some help load that thing. I don't have them haul it. It's been kind of rough morning. I'm gonna shut down and now, and it's about 12:30. Been here most of the morning, and pretty busy. So I'm gonna go take a lunch break, and before I come back and try to figure out how I'm gonna haul this off and get the rest of this cleaned up. So until next time.